Hello, jewelry makers. Today I got the bargain bead box in the mail for October 2019, and the theme of the box this month is foliage, and it says autumn tones are abound in the Sleepy collection. Centerpieces include a set of 5 agate drops, a pair of cute glass leaves, and a variety of copper tone pewter pendants. On and on and on it goes. You get when you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% off coupon code to their sister store, beadboxbargains.com, and you can enter a contest by sending your creation from the box to facebook.com/bargainbeadbox. On the back is the shipment identification key, and it's listed. It's got the numbers listed with the product, and then on the bags the same corresponding number will be listed on the bag, which makes it so much easier. And so let me get everything ready, come back and show you what's in the box. Number 1, 100 pieces 4mm Chinese crystal bicone beads, Topaz AB. That's so shiny. And the sometimes Chinese crystal bicones they suck in uniformity, but these that I've gotten from Bargain Bead Box has always been pretty uniform. They're not the same as Swarovski or Czech Preciosa, but they're usable. Number 2, 26 pieces cut glass leaf pendants, jade green. And when I was pulling this stuff out the bag, these really they tricked me, because I would have thought they were actual jade. That's how pretty they are, and that's what they look like. They look like actual jade. And they're engraved with the veins. Number 3, 15-inch strand, 8mm carnelian round beads. It's a long strand of carnelian, 8mm carnelian, and they are gorgeous. Perfect for this time of year. Harvest color. So pretty. Number 4 is 2 sets leaf toggle clasps. These are the metal colors this month is antique copper. Of course, the toggle goes through that loop there. Very cute. Pretty big too. Number 5 is 7.5-inch strand, 6x4mm Chinese crystal beads, matte green iris. Number 6, 20 pieces, 15x10mm leaf lengths. These are cute. I like these. They're also antique copper. I can get the bag open. little, almost as thin as filigree leaf links. I can't get it. Anyway, there's a loop at the top here on one side, and there's a loop here. So it's a diagonal loops. I have to make something with those. And these, and these. It's pretty stuff in this month's. I like this box because they send unique things that I have never seen in my local bead store, or online. In the shops online, they send unique items. Even though they do send crystal, Chinese crystal beads, you know, like these, there's nothing wrong with these. I know a lot of people don't like the bicones. They send a lot of gemstones, and they send a lot of unique things. It's very worth $15.95 plus free shipping. Okay. Alright, that was number 6. Number 7, 20 pieces, 7mm leaf beads. And these are awesome too. These antique copper, and they're just little tiny flat leaves, but they're beads. They're not, you know, they've got enough room to have a hole running from the top to the bottom. So those are cute too. I like those. Number 8, 7.5-inch strand, 6mm silver leaf Jasper round beads. Never heard of silver leaf Jasper. Love Jasper. Love most all Jasper. Isn't that pretty? It does look silver, doesn't it? Pretty colors. Pretty. Very pretty. Right? Number 9. 7.5-inch strand, 4x3mm Chinese crystal beads matte goldenrod. These are the little 3x4, and they've got an AB coating on them, or finish. See that finish? That I can see it on camera. Pretty, pretty. Number 10, 20 pieces, 7mm leaf bead caps. These are really dark antique copper, and just what they wrote. It's a leaf, you know, each little point is a leaf. Love. I very rarely have to buy bead caps because of the bargain bead box. We always get bead caps and different flavors of metal. Okay, number 11, 40 millimeter oval leaf pendant. This is very different also. Like it. So the hole's right here at the top. And then you've got just unique. I've never seen those. So cute. Number 12, 1 meter, 5 millimeter steel oval jewelry chain. So 1 millimeter of antique copper jewelry chain. That's a good bit. A meter is a good bit of chain. Well beyond a foot. Well beyond. I love getting chain. We always get chain in the bargain bee box, and I very rarely have to go buy any. Number 13, 12 pieces, 10 millimeter, crystal faceted, half matte barrel beads, green iris. Gorgeous. Look at that shine. That sparkle. And like it says, half matte, so the center shiny, you know, where it's cut like a cathedral bead. And then the top and the bottom, sort of like bead caps, but they're not, are matte. We've gotten these before in smaller beads in this box, in a copper color. But these are a lot bigger. And a lot sparklier, I believe. Okay, number 14. Yeah. 7.5 inch strand, 10 millimeter gemstones, chrysanthemum, jasper, or coffee agate. I think I got chrysanthemum, jasper. I'll always remember that look. It's such deep, rich tones. And they also feel like they could rub off, you know, like something, like color could rub off on your hands. They just feel, I don't know, kind of wet almost. We've gotten these in smaller form in this box a long time ago. Very pretty, very rich, deep, dark colors. Number 15, 5 pieces, approximately 27 to 40 millimeter red agate oval drop beads. Oh, these are so beautiful. So beautiful. They're kind of strung on a strand here. But look at that one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at them stripes. And then there's that one. I mean, because they're gemstones, I'm sure everyone's will be different. And there's another. It's got some pretty designs in it. So there's 5 drops. These are so gorgeous. Okay, number 16. 2 pieces, 32mm leaf pendants. And they've got the hole here. It comes up off the back where you can put some lines straight through it, and it was still set like this. These are beautiful. And number 17, 2 pieces, 28mm tree chandelier focals. So nice. And as you can see, the holes, there's 3 holes in the bottom of the tree trunk, the roots. Those are really cool. See, I've never seen these before either. Nice, very nice. All right, everyone, here's your October 2019 Bargain Bead Box. Thanks for watching, and keep your eye out for new videos.